Top 3 Projects Like GALA Games. Hey, and welcome to the Crypto World, a channel where all we do is talk about crypto. Quickly, before we start, we want to let you know that this video is not financial advice, and we are not financial advisors. So before investing any money, please do your own research. That being said, let's head toward the video. What if you could use blockchain technology to own assets by winning them from games? Or what if you could have projects that can let you earn money by playing games, own the in-game assets, get NFTs, sell them, and many more? With the launch of the play-to-earn technology, games have been made more futuristic since they let you make money. But what are those projects that can let you do everything you can think of? GALA Games was one of the few projects which tried to realize this concept, and today, thousands over thousands of players are using it. Not only is it used by players, but also investors take interest in NFTs and even their tokens. So, why not know about projects like GALA Games that can let you explore the gaming world and earn real money? Today, we're going to reveal top 3 projects like GALA Games that you should know about. These are the projects that use blockchain technology to give you a silky smooth experience in gaming, besides NFTs and money. But before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to watch more interesting videos about the crypto world. Let's start our countdown. Number 3. Xayah. How can you create your own NFTs? You might like to give it a thought, but the answer is no ordinary person knows how to create them. Even if you create your own NFTs, listing them in the marketplace would be another step where you would face difficulties. And then, after listing your NFT, you will be able to finally sell it and earn money, right? For every step, you need an entirely different platform where you would be doing everything on your own. But what if you could do all that in a single place? Xayah is the blockchain's technology and a platform that lets you create your own NFTs, list them in the marketplaces, and sell them later on. By staying on a single platform, you would be able to literally do everything related to NFTs. Thus, Xayah is a place that makes NFTs selling and buying much easier than ever before. Even beginner artists can list their NFTs and wait until they are sold. But only NFTs are not their entire focus, since this platform can be also used to create games and then add the gaming assets. In other words, Xayah is a project that is just the same as GALA Games and lets you have every feature you can think of. You also can have Xayah coins and can use them as an investment option. Or you can hold Infinity tokens, just the same way as you use GALA. Thus, whether you're an artist who wants to sell his NFTs or an art collector who loves NFTs, you can use Xayah to have everything on the same platform. And if you're an investor who loves to invest in new potential projects that can grow in the future, then Xayah coins and Infinity tokens should be your primary focus. Number 2. Xayah. Xayah is an open blockchain where any game or any project can be developed entirely staying on the blockchain. This is remarkably different from all the other blockchain platforms we have been using until now. Even though all other projects are said to work on blockchain, they need servers at some points to function properly. This makes the platform still dependent on servers, which can never give decentralization its true meaning. This is where projects like Xayah come into play that completely revamps the entire concept. Xayah does not need even a single server to work, since it can be run forever on the blockchain without stopping for a single second. But what does it really mean? Well, this is no less than a revolution in the gaming world, since now all the games can function entirely on the blockchain and have speed never experienced before. By using Xayah, you can either develop your own game or enjoy playing the games available. You will have one of the coolest and crucial advantages of owning your gaming assets forever until you yourself sell them. In games built on other blockchains, players always have the fear of losing their gaming assets that hold real value. If those assets, worth thousands of dollars, are somehow misplaced, since other projects use servers, it can bring loss to users. But if you are using Xayah, nothing like that can happen, ever, which takes Xayah to the sky. You can play the games developed on Xayah and can win those assets to have them under your ownership. No matter what happens, other than you yourself selling them, those assets will be yours forever. Therefore, Don't worry about your assets while playing games. They will be stored in your wallet and will be protected from any security breach. Or, if you are a developer, you can use Xayah to build your own game and take advantage of blockchain technology. But that's not the end. Xayah is a project whose fame is burgeoning day by day, which means that its token will continue to increase its price. If you are investors who are looking to find potential tokens, Xayah's Chi is the one you should have your eyes on. From being an open blockchain network to being a reliable place for major games, Xayah has much more to reveal in the future. Number 1. Phantasma. Soul. Phantasma is a blockchain platform that lets developers build games on it. Let players have the silky smooth gaming experience and make NFT dealings. Much like the projects discussed above, Phantasma works to use blockchain technology to level up the gaming experience, letting the developers earn more revenue and letting players win gaming assets and have them forever. Phantasma seems to be just exactly the same as Gala Games. The developers can launch their games on either Steam or Pavilion, or both, and have a complete economy of their tokens. What it really means is that Phantasma can attract one of the major game developers and companies to collaborate with it. When Phantasma will achieve this, and when the number of games on its network will grow, the price of its token will skyrocket. This is where we get shifted to its Soul token, which is being considered as one of the strongest and fastest growing tokens in the play-to-earn gaming world. If you don't want to play games built on Phantasma, you can directly invest in Soul and use it as a potentially growing cryptocurrency. The more fame Phantasma gets and the more projects are built on it, the more will be its token value. Even though this project may seem just the same as the above-mentioned two projects, Phantasma has more potential to be the developer's favorite. And on the other hand, it gives all rights to the players or users, meaning both developers and players can have a friendly place to be in. And yeah, how can we miss NFTs? Phantasma lets artists create their NFTs and then sell them out on Phantasma's marketplace. The costs have been decreased, and processes involved in it have also been made easier to give the NFT market a much-needed push. Therefore, if you love to make art pieces or collect them, you can use Phantasma to be a part of such a diverse NFT network. Since Phantasma is an open chain, it means that it can support countless decentralized apps besides the play-to-earn games. This is where it gets our attention, due to the reason that Phantasma is not only limited to NFTs, games, and tokens, but also its roots go deep into the decentralized world of finance too. It's a sign that Phantasma is a project that not only is of value at present, but also is going to be of utmost importance in the future. You can evaluate the potential in this project by knowing that every single project being built on it will have a direct effect on its growth. If 100 projects or games increase their value, Phantasma will get the benefit that will let it increase by 100 times in value. This is what is more stunning. Did you know that there are projects just like Gala Games that are entirely on another level? If you earlier thought that blockchain was just meant for transactions, then think again. These projects are pushing the limitations of blockchain and are letting you pocket some benefits besides the crunchy dollar bills. Don't be shy to comment right below. Which of these projects would you want to try? Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon next to it to watch more helpful videos. Until the next video, stay tuned.